edge here, and I guess this, you could call this the second half of the fall releases. We saw falling leaves last week, and now we are going to do Macintosh apples. And man, I'll tell you, it's apples. It absolutely is. I think you're gonna love it. So we're gonna do a bowl lather. We're going to make lather, bring it to the face, and talk about the results and some other things too. So stick around. Don't go away. Okay, so as you can see, this is the ceramic bowl, and it is empty. And this is the soap that we're going to be using today. So let's open it up. Let's scoop a little bit out. A little bit. Who are you kidding? I love putting soap in the bowl. You put as much as you want in. I'm not going to stop you or tell you what's right or what's wrong. That's not what I do. I am not the soap police. There you go. I'll let you wipe off my finger. And so this is the brush we're going to be using. It's the wet the face brush. I'm going to wet it. And I just emptied the contents of the brush in the bowl. Now I'm going to slowly incorporate that water into the soap I put in here. And then start to go. Switch your hands. Wow, it's really making a lot. All right. Okay. Well, there you go. Let's bring this to the face and do the rest of the shit. All right, so I have about, I don't know, 7 days growth, so let me wet the face. Oh boy. And here is the lather right here, so let me apply it. All right. So what I have for the razor today is the cheaper version of the one that the classic razor sells. I'm going to, oh, look at all that soap on me. That doesn't matter. I'm going to just shave with this. Here we go. So I've been looking at Netflix, and they had I had a nice mystery loving couple, I think it was called. Or it's with Lee Schreiber. He's like he plays an idiot, but I just finished it, and I think I might have told you about it already, but I just finished it. And you know, when you have an ensemble like that with a lot of stars and stuff, you know the murderer is going to be one of them. But it was pretty cool. I liked it. Very busy trying to get the fall releases out. I'm working on doing something for the I have one Christmas release made already. I don't know if I'm going to do any more. I don't know. And I'll tell you why. I can't get the stearic acid that goes into my formula, and I tried to use a different one, but there has been some complaints, like, you know, when people bought what was it, Nothing But the Base, they said, oh, it's a little stiffer than they remember, but it's still is the same, but people are used to one thing. You don't want to change it on them, and I noticed that was happening. It didn't happen right away. It happened like over time. So I'm like, okay, well, I can't use this anymore. Went back to go order to see if the other one was in stock. It's still out, and this has been months. So I don't know what's going on, but if I have to rely on just that one, and I don't want to buy, I buy them in 5-pound bags. So they're like, depending on where I buy it, it's not cheap. So, I don't want to waste my money on something I can't use, you know. So we'll see what happens. If I can't find the one that I always get, then I can't make anything. As you notice, if you look on the website, there is a lot of soaps out of stock because I've been waiting on the return of this stearic acid. And it hasn't made an appearance yet, so it's really it's really a pain in the ass, especially around the holiday, you know. I'm thinking about also making, although I had only a few reviews. You know, people have talked to me about how much they like dark matter, and I'm thinking about not making it a limited edition, but bringing it back full time. But man, oh man, That's a pain in the ass one to make. If people enjoy it, I'll keep it as a full time. So it all depends on the response. We'll see what the reviews say, and I'll go with that. All right. All right. So with that, let me just. I don't want to use a. I don't want to use a. Something from the inventory because I have to just make it again. So let me wipe. Just I have something in my hand. You can't see it because I'm cleaning the nozzle. Because if you guessed, it hasn't been used in a while. Well, it's not coming out. So I was going to use the aftershave balm, the Art of Shaving, but it's not coming out of the bottle. So I don't want you guys to wait around. This is a post-shave balm. You know what this one is. Let's, it's kind of a healing kind of thing. Sensitivity, it says on it. See? I don't have sensitive skin. But it's always good to put this on. All right. So I had a great shave with Macintosh apples, and I think you're going to really enjoy smelling the apples from the tub. It's just fantastic. And I had a great shave, and I hope you guys have a great shave. And let me know by the time you read this or get this, you should have already received your tubs of Macintosh apple and full leaves. Let me know what you think. Alright, so I had a great shave like I said, and I hope you guys have a great shave, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe.